When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body do this bumper like tell me in the humble. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. All the hope she said.
Hi my love, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time, thank you for clicking on my video. My name is Lola, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So today we'll be doing maintenance vlog. It's just gonna be slay but on budget. It's gonna be slay but on budget. You guys know the current economy, like I don't know, things are just getting out of hands and it's just so crazy. So yeah, so I'll be doing my hair appointments, my nails appointments, my lashes, and every other thing that I need to do just to make me look good, feel good, smell good, you know. Yeah, so I think that's it. I think I need to take off my hair because I had this for like a couple of weeks and it's all rough and everything. I really don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, I have a wig. I think we're going to install the wig and I'll do my lashes. You guys will see how I do my lashes, just to feel that girl, look that girl, be that girl. Kudos.
I testify for you. I do that 3 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it. All that will cry was kidding. I'm not. Long if you joking, now it's for me. I ain't got it. My bitch can't do it. I your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. Take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Find the home when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important.
A day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day.
Hair. This is my hair, my natural hair. I have this hair for like 3 years or 2 years plus, I think. Yeah, I think 2 years plus. So now, what are we doing to the hair? We'll be installing this old wig together. I actually made this wig myself. I made this wig myself, and it's been a very, very long time. So yeah, we'll be installing this. So I'm done with this side. I think I did a really good job. It's funny how as I am braiding my hair, it just made me realize some things. Like I can actually do a lot of stuff as a girl. I can do my hair. Like I can really do my hair. I can. I make wigs as well. All these are just for fun. No, that's things that I really didn't like put my mind to it, that I really want to learn. I just found myself doing it. I can do my nails, I can do my lashes, I can do my makeup, I can do my hair. I think the only thing that I really can do is to make dresses. Like I can't make dress for myself. I have to give it out. But any other girly stuff, if I don't feel like going out there to do it, I can just be at home and just do it. That's so crazy. And I feel like as a girl, you should all have one thing or the other that you know how to do, because it's going to save you time and it's also going to save you money. Normally I do go and fix my lashes. I do go and fix my, like I've never tried it before, but you guys are going to see it. Like I've never tried it before, so I usually go and do that, and that costs me like a lot. So the last time I went, the lady asked me, like the price has actually increased, and I was like, seriously, I can do these lashes. I really can do it. And then I went online, I went on TikTok, I went on YouTube, I watched, and then I tried it. Like, if you check my previous videos, the lashes I had on it, which I'm going to do one with you guys, I made it myself. And ever since then, I've been loving it. And mine even last longer. Like, it took me like a month. Yeah, it took me a month. And I wash my face. Do you get? I wash my face. But with the one I go and fix, if I just mistakenly put a little bit of water, I have this burning sensation underneath. So I stop. I don't use, I have like a particular sponge that I use for my face whenever I'm with lashes. That's if I go and make it. And what else again? Like, I don't know. I just don't know. But ever since I started doing my, I've been loving it, guys. I have been loving it. I think I did a pretty good job for a beginner. Okay, so now let's move on to the lashes. So these lashes are Sarah and Oliver eyelashes. That's what it's called. Sarah and Oliver eyelashes. And they are very, very light and very, very good. So I recommend this brand. It's very good, honestly. It is. So I use size 12 just to give it a little bit of the cat eyes, and then I use size 8 for like the smaller parts inside. So let's try. All you need is, I use this glue, the bonding glue. This is like my favorite glue. I use this glue. You don't necessarily need this and this, so I use this. This is very, very important. Very, very important. You need this. So just this two and the lashes. So that's what we'll be using today.
you wanna be somebody.
So I'm done with my lashes. You can make it more fuller, whichever way you want it.
Gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
My mom gave me another drink. Said I should relax. And oh my god, this one is amazing. Okay, so I'm using
Put
this.
it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5, I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5, I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the type of shit that you've been waiting all year for. I'm making time for a minute, yeah, you with it. Got a lot of time, I just need some way to spend it. I just press a button in the top, go missing. I got the slip, so you know it's not winning, yeah. Oh, what you wanna do? Worry about your friends, it's all you this afternoon. I've been reading your mind. No fear, but you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got Stanley Kubrick. This is some visionary shit. Been trying to film pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on a model bra with the Hollywood smile. Strip a booty with the rack like wow. I'll never forget ya. You put me on a feeling I never had, never had, never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back. You pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you. I still can't feel my face. What am I smoking anyway? She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste it. Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine, baby. I want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me long. Love me now when I'm gone. Love me now, love me now, love me now.
Okay, guys, so I'm done with my nails. It looks so cute. I think I choose to go with this brown one because I don't know, it's kind of giving a little bit of natural vibes. This one is a bit so repaint it. But anyway, that's it. And I'm so glad, like, I was doing my nails and I just realized some few things. I'm really grateful to God for where I am today. Like, this was not where I was last year, and as of today I'm able to provide some things for myself, like some really basic things, like some really basic things for myself. As a last year I couldn't do this, but this is where I am today. Like, I'm so grateful and I'm really in a good mood. I'm really grateful to God for where I am today. Last year was really a lot, but thank God for this year. So I'm grateful to God. So This is my hair all done, well set. But to be honest with you, I don't really like baby hair, so that's why I didn't really do that. So this is the hair I take to work for this week, and let's see, after this week I probably can do something different. So here, you don't really need to break the bank. Go get yourself some press-on nails. You could see the way I did mine. You can get the strip lashes if you don't want the one like the single one that you fix like this. You can just get the strip lashes, and you know, as a girl, just make sure that you blend one of these things. I know how much it will cost me to do like my nails, my toe, my lashes, and my hair. I do that like anytime I just feel like doing it, or I have enough in my hand. That's when I really do it. And if I don't really have that much, and obviously I don't want to look tacky, I will just like do the same thing that I did today, like all from scratch. Just make sure that I feel good, I look good, and yeah. So if you've come to this part of my video, thank you so much. I really do appreciate the fact that you're here, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you. See you.